Today we're going to learn how to build a website for affiliate marketing, so stay tuned.
The easiest way to create a website for affiliate marketing is by using a tool like Wix or Google Sites. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Sites to do this. In order to build an effective affiliate marketing funnel or set of pages, you need to have the following. You need to have an opt-in page, a thank you page, and an affiliate offer. So essentially on your opt-in page, you're giving away what's called a lead magnet or just like a freebie. So like, here's my guide, on how to make money fast, or here are my top 10 tips to cook this dish, or something that is helpful, educational, inspiring, useful, and they want it. And you might promote this, through an ad or through a social media post or a blog post, and then they will click the link and land on this opt-in page. Your language is going to be the same. You're going to say, here's my free guide on how to make money fast or whatever. And then the person that's on the site's going to enter their email and full name or just their email and then click submit. Then you have a thank you page once they opt in. You can have a video on this page saying, hey, thanks for subscribing, and your lead magnet is on the way, like my free guide on how to make money fast is being sent to your email address, or you can even have a download button on here. Now in this video you want to talk about your affiliate offer too. So you want to say, hey, thank you, but also I have this really great offer for you that will help you get one-on-one coaching, or it's a tool that can help you accelerate making money online. Maybe you're trying to sell ClickFunnels or a different product. Then you would put that in your affiliate offer, and then you would say, get the video, and then you click, you go to another video, and it's like a sales video. You might say, check out this really cool video on how to make money fast. Then you click that button, you go to an affiliate offer page, it has a video, and then if they're still interested in that offer, then they can click order now. And that's a great way to get an affiliate commission. So you got to pick a place to start, somewhere to build a website. So I just chose Google Sites because anybody with a Gmail account can do this. So what we're going to do is walk through this. You're going to click the plus sign in order to create a new website. And every website builder is going to have different tools. On Google Sites, you can see all the widgets here on the right. You can have different themes. You definitely want to keep it simple. You want to make it professional and clean, but you definitely don't want to clutter this with a bunch of different actions and things like that. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to probably have like a heading. We can just use this title. We can say like click here to get my free guide on how to make money fast. And you want to make sure that your font isn't too big for some of these things. So if we click the text and we click like the drop down, we might make this like a heading instead. The title's just kind of big, or you can make your title shorter. It just depends. We can probably give it our site a name like free guide to make money fast online, something, and that will set some configuration most likely for the URL and stuff like that. So then once you have like a heading, you can put an image, you can put a video. I recommend you put some kind of graphic or something, but you definitely want to keep it simple. For sake of time, we're not going to find the perfect graphic, but there's tons of things. You can find a bar graph that's going up. You can find, if it's like a cooking product, you can find like a really good looking pie or something. Maybe it's your top 10 tips on how to make a pie correctly or something, or it's like a cookbook. There's lots of things you can give away. So the next thing we want to do is we want to capture their contact information, and typically you can use like an autoresponder like Aweber or GetResponse. For Google, you can probably just use like Google Forms. So we can see down here that there's a Forms button as one of the widgets. We can click Forms, and then we can go into here, and it looks like there's an untitled form in here. You might have to go into Google Forms and create your own form. The way you would do that is by looking up Google Forms, and you can go to Google Forms. Once you get to Google Forms, you can choose probably the default like contact information because we're doing an opt-in. And you don't need all this information. You got to think about the person that's filling this out. Like if it's on a mobile device, you don't want all these different fields. You probably just want email and their name, because then you can follow up for some of that other information. But you might say like opt in for my free guide on how to make money fast. You want to make sure your spelling and grammar is correct. You can correct it after the fact. This is a free way to collect email addresses. Now, you won't be able to just send emails out to these people like in an automatic fashion, which is what you'd be able to do in an autoresponder. This is a great way to get started, especially if you're new to online marketing. You can set these fields to be required. You can change how they're entered. I'm just going to leave it simple. As you can see, when I click forms, contact information comes up. That's the form I just created for the opt-in. So then it will be selected, and then I can click this insert button and it's going to insert it. You can also like drag it. Then once your form is on here, you can drag it, you can make it wider. You want to make sure that the design is pretty on point. For example, you want to match like the spacing and possibly the font size, so you could play around with some of these different elements. But you just want to make sure that it looks like professional. Maybe we can make the title something simpler, like Make Money Fast with My Guide. Then you can have opt-in for my free guide on how to make money fast. They enter their information. Then you're going to want to publish this page. It's going to have a web address. You can set this to a custom domain if you want, and you can set who can view the site. You can say if public search engines can display it or not. You probably want the search engines to display it, because if anybody comes across it, it will get indexed and they can find it and opt in. And setting your custom URL, that's good for professionalism. Like when you have your own custom domain name, you get like $1 account for that. You can like link it with DNS. There might be an easy way to do that with Google Domains. But if you're just starting out as a beginner, it would be great just to get something out there. What really drives traffic is building a brand, putting out content, and pushing out ads. It's not so much what your domain name is. Now the next step is you're going to want to create a thank you page. So we can call this thank you, and once we hit done, it will come up with the default thank you page because we typed thank you as the title. You can put an exclamation point or something like thank you for getting my free guide, it's on the way. And then what you could do is you could create a little video. You could put it on YouTube or just a different site like Wistia. There's a bunch of different either cheap or free hosting things. Vimeo allows you to do certain videos, and you can just embed it. You can either add an embed or add like a YouTube video. If you add a YouTube video, you just have to like search it or upload it. I think YouTube's the easiest to get started with, but let's just pretend that we add that embed in there and there'll be a video here. Then what you want to do is you want to click on adding a button. So you want to say, I want to make money faster. And then you could have a link and you can go to another page. For now it'll be a link to the home page. We can change that. And you can stretch it out to be wider. I want to make money faster. And that's just saying like, hey, go to this affiliate offer. And you could say something in here, like you could put like a heading or something, like a text box above this. When you insert it, it might go below it. You just have to drag it up above it. And you could say like, click the button below to get one-on-one coaching to grow faster. Or you could say click the link below to create your first easy sales funnel with ClickFunnels. Or you could even leave out ClickFunnels. And then you could just put this in the middle. And then what you'll do is create another page. You can say affiliate offer. And you can put like a dash and say what the affiliate offer is, or you could just say ClickFunnels, whatever it is. You can change this heading to say like make sales funnels easy. Try to sell what you're trying to pitch here. You know, if you're trying to have a video about ClickFunnels or something, you want to make sure you can sell it well. Once you become an affiliate for the company or product that you're trying to sell and promote, what you could do is you could find that link, you can create a button, create my first sales funnel now, And then this could go to like your affiliate link, clickfunnels.com. Even though that's not the actual affiliate link, it will be something more specific to your account. And then you can say like click below to create your first sales funnel now. Now the one caveat with using a Google form is that it's not going to allow you to redirect to the next page immediately if you use it. So what you would have to do is you'd have to create a button below it. So you could have like a button that you create like I opted in and I'm ready to get my guide or something. And then you can link this to your thank you. You could put that below. Now people could opt in and not click, and that's possible, and you could follow up with those people. There are so many different funnel builders out there. The one I prefer is Dropfunnels now, and I'll link that below in the description. You can try it out. But with Google Sites, with the Google form, you'll get their email address, but they're just going to have to go through another step to click this button, and you'll have to have a button on each page to go to the next page. It's not the best solution, but you're still being clear as to what you want them to do. Opt in for their guide, submit, and then there's a button. So as long as your messaging is clear, you can track your analytics and see if it is converting. If it's not converting, you can change it up. This is just an option as a beginner in affiliate marketing to get your feet wet and how to create this sequence of pages. If Google Sites isn't the best option for you, there are tons of other tools. But as a free option, this is a pretty good one. If you want me to create a video about another funnel builder like ClickFunnels, Dropfunnels, or using something like Wix, which is a website builder, then say yes in the comments below. I would absolutely love to do that. After adding the button to the opt-in page so they can go to the thank you page, I'm going to publish again. That way all of our changes are published. The last thing you want to do is go back to the thank you page and then change your link from the I want to make money faster to the affiliate offer. And that way it will go to the correct page. And then once you're at the home page, you'll have to click to the home page and you want to view your published site. Then you click view published site. And I already put in my information in the opt-in, but as you can see in the contact form, it stores my information, Mr. Sir and Drew. So if I edit this response that I entered, that is what got entered in there. And then there'll be a button here at the bottom. You might want to move that up because that is the one caveat with the Google form not redirecting, so you'll have to have a button here. Once you click that button, you'll go to a thank you page. And then you say click the link below to create your first easy sales funnel, and this would take you to the affiliate offer, so make your funnels easy. And then once you click here, it would take you to a site like ClickFunnels, your affiliate offer link that site would provide you. Just make sure every page has some sort of graphic or video. I know in this tutorial I didn't put those for the sake of time, but it's not too hard to embed a video, and it really gets people's attention. There's nothing better than video marketing. I hope you really enjoyed this video on how to create a website for affiliate marketing using Google Sites.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.